Hello students, let's continue with the discussion of our chapter Human Being and Nature. The specific objective of today's topic is World Wide Fund. Students, World Wide Fund is generally known as WWF, which started in 1961. Its symbol is panda. The World Wide Fund for Nature is an international non-governmental organization founded in April 29, 1961. Please note this date, it is really very important. Works in the field of wilderness preservation and the reduction of human impact on the environment. It was formally named the World Wildlife Fund, which remains its official name in Canada and the United States. The Living Planet report is published every 2 years by World Wide Fund since 1998, which is based on a Living Planet Index and ecological footprint calculation. It is the world's largest conservation organization with over 5 million supporters worldwide, working in more than 100 countries, supporting around 1,300 conservation and environmental projects. So this is a very big organization which is working for ecological balance. Now next question is, what does the World Wildlife Fund do? It conserves the world's most important forest and safeguards healthy oceans and marine livelihoods. It also secures water for people and nature. The third main objective is it protects the world's most important and endangered species. It doubles the net food availability by refining production and has distribution to combating waste and environmental impacts. Students, it also aims to create a climate resilient or zero carbon world. Zero carbon world means reducing the carbon emission in the atmosphere, which will result in favorable climatic conditions for flora and fauna. Their vision is a world powered by renewable energy with communities and ecosystems that are resilient in the face of climate changes. Next is students, aim and mission of WWF. The group aims to stop the degradation of planet's natural environment and to build a future in which humans live in harmony with nature, that is, love with nature. Their mission is to conserve nature and reduce the most pressing threats to the diversity on Earth, that is, to retain the biodiversity of Earth. Currently, their work is organized around these 6 areas: food, climate, fresh water, wildlife, forest, and oceans. Students, WWF has worked as an organization and came up with the following observations: that the diversity of life isn't evenly distributed around the globe. That is, the ecosystem is not evenly distributed. Somewhere we'll be getting a good vegetation, other side we'll be getting good water resources. It is concentrated in certain areas, making them a great priority for conservation. That means some areas of Earth are really fulfilled with, enriched with flora and fauna, and they need to be conserved. Global markets. WWF has long known that our entire planet is one delicate and complex set of relationships between species, people, habitats, governments, and global market forces. Meaningful conservation cannot take place without focusing on all of them. That means we need to make them all as a one group: species, people, habitats, governments, and global market. Then only we can preserve our resources. Next is science. All conservation work at WWF is grounded in science. WWF's Conservation Science Program, that is CSP, draws on powerful insights from biology, hydrology, oceanography, and the social sciences to create new and effective approaches for protecting biodiversity. Students, WWF has taken certain steps to preserve fresh water, that is, advancing corporate water stewardship, promoting good water governance, protecting freshwater ecosystems, managing water resources in a changing climate. Next is, students, Worldwide Fund for Oceans. What is the work being done by WWF for preserving oceans? Resilient ocean sustains marine life and functioning ecosystem that supports rich biodiversity, food security and sustainable livelihoods. This is the definition of ocean for WWF. It has developed new technology for sustaining oceans. It has helped in increasing the sustainable fishing. It helps in preventing illegally caught seafood from entering our food chain, rebuilding resilient coastal ecosystem, and it has also helped in safeguarding the Arctic region. So at the end I would say that be the voice for those who have no voice, which is the main goal of WWF. Thank you.